Hello, Namaste. It's me Bhola Bhattarai from Nepal. This video is especially made for all Nepalese to share and for all Indians to watch. Everybody knows that the issue of border conflict between Nepal and India. Yes, we know the conflict, but many of us have less idea about the reality of belonging. In one hand, the world, including these two countries, is lying down due to coronavirus COVID-19. On the other hand, people of these two countries have lost their sleeping time. Indian media are broadcasting such materials that seems to raise bitter feeling among Nepalese. Some of them even cannot pronounce the name of those controversial places correctly. In the comparison to Indian media, Nepalese channels are found much more soft and sensible on these matters. Yes, today I have got an article written by a patriotic Nepali, Mr. Tularam Gurung from Kathmandu. I think this article is a valuable lesson for Indian journalists as well as Prime Minister Modi. Come on, watch it and learn something. Nepali must share this and Indian must watch this message. And before I read out the article, I request you to subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed it. And please, I request you to share this video as much as possible, as far as possible, so that it would reach to all the ears of Indian journalists throughout the world. India has misconceptions that Nepalese nationalism is sprung against India. Nepal is now inclined to China. Both are baseless under the reality of facts. Nepal, who has a multi-phase relationship with emerging power of India in terms of religion, culture, social and political systems, economics, people-to-people relationship cannot go against India. Importantly, topography of land, water, soil and political orientation among others flow to the south oriented to India. Furthermore, Nepal is an integral part of Ganges civilization, Indo-subcontinental. There are more than 70,000 Gorkha regiments serving in Indian army so as to save India's security. Yes, agree that Nepal has got friendly relation with Republic of Communist China. You know, every power seeks to proliferate spheres of influence. China could be doing so. However, Nepalese food and clothes, lifestyles, usage and traditional ways of living as well as ways of thinking are similar with most Indians' dislike of Chinese. You know, India and Nepal share views and things in common, but Indian media now seem to unaware of these facts, provoking and poisoning in the relations, as well as behaving as enemies. Indian think tank like S.D. Muni and others are of the opinion that Indian go failure of neighborhood relationship policy. Modi's neighbors first. They are quite right here now. But why? You know, it is because of bullying with neighboring countries including Nepal, derogating behaviors, employing micromanagement into internal affairs above all, encroaching other territories in border areas. So, in order to revive or establish good friendly relationship with neighbors including Nepal, follow principles of Panchashil with smaller countries like Nepal as Nehru did with Zhou Enlai. Do away with micromanagement in neighboring countries. Solve border issues with Nepal all along through long lines of over 1800 km from east to west. Comply with other justifiable treaties. Let regulate electricity power bank exchange of electricity through India to Bangladesh. Don't shy with dialogue and negotiations. Then you can be great India, and we are in favor of great India. In case the relationship could not be revived between these two countries, there could be tension in South Asia, and it shall be a setback of India as well.